Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make Indian restaurant style chickpea curry. It's also called chana masala in Hindi. It's one of the most loved dishes when it's paired with this fried flatbread. For this recipe, you can check out my channel. I'll leave the link in the description box for you guys. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To make this chickpea curry, you do need instant pot or a pressure cooker, and then add 3 to 4 tablespoons of desi ghee. You can use any oil you prefer, that's not a problem. And once the oil is hot, add 2 tablespoons of grated ginger, or you can even have chopped ginger. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then we'll add minced garlic. Here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Again, you can use chopped garlic as well. Then I've got 2 large sliced chopped onions. If you're using less quantity, if you're making less quantity of chickpeas, reduce this onion, ginger and garlic paste to half. I'm making it for my family, so I'm using 3 cups of chickpeas which are soaked overnight. Now cook this mixture until it's brown. Once it's turned brown, add 3/4 can of chopped tomatoes. If you want to use fresh tomatoes, you would need at least 3 to 4 tomatoes. Now you have to cook tomatoes properly. This is the main thing, and this is the only thing that will enhance the flavor of the curry. So you have to cook it until all the oil is separated from the tomatoes. Then add chilies to taste, and on the other side we'll dry roast the spices. While we are cooking our mixture, on the other side heat a non-stick pan and we will roast the dry spices. Here I've got 2 red dried chilies, Indian gooseberry dried. You can skip this step if you don't have it. If you don't have Indian gooseberries, dried gooseberries, which is also called amla, you can instead use anardana powder, which is pomegranate powder. Then I have 1 to 2 teaspoons of cumin seed, dry coriander seed, bay leaves, curry leaves, some black cardamom and 3 to 4 cloves. Now dry roast them and make sure they don't burn. Remove it once they are fragrant. Remove it from the hot pan, and then we'll dry roast the grounded spices, which is 2 teaspoons of chana masala. Instead, you can use hot curry powder as well, and 2 teaspoons of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. On the other side, the mixture is properly cooked and it has the oil separated from the mixture. Now we'll add the spices to this mixture, but first of all, don't forget to add turmeric powder on hot oil so that it gets roasted on oil. Now all the spices that we roasted, the whole spices and the powdered spices, added to the mixture and mix well. Here I'm adding 3 teaspoons of salt. You can add salt to taste. And then I will add all the chickpeas that I've soaked overnight. This is 3 cups of chickpeas soaked overnight. I will also be prepping the tea concoction, which is 3 bags into 2 cups of water. Boil it properly, and then we're gonna add it to the curry to give its nice darkish color. Now add all the chickpeas that we have soaked. This is 3 cups of chickpeas, and add hot water and let them boil. I will also add the tea concoction that I've just prepared, and that's the last step. And then we're going to cook this chickpeas for about 40 minutes. This is my pressure cooker. It takes 40 minutes to get the chickpeas to cook and get soft. Your instant pot or your pressure cooker might do differently, so do it accordingly. It's been 40 to 50 minutes and my chickpeas are ready. All the spices, the whole spices that are on the top, you can remove them. I don't mind them because the avla and the other few things get mashed in it, but if you don't like them, you can remove them. They actually look and taste just like restaurant. The last thing I will do is add dried fenugreek leaves. This will just give a nice fragrance to it. So guys, this chana masala chickpea curry is absolutely ready and it tastes and looks just like Indian restaurants, and I've paired it with some pickle, some onion and some green chilies along with fried flatbread. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Do subscribe my channel for more videos. I'll be sharing lots of more recipes, weight loss meal plans and some home remedies for you guys, even beauty tips. So don't miss out. Hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.